So here's what happened. Right over this side of the shop is the mudroom and the laundry room. And right up there is the washing machine. And the washing machine leaked about a week ago. We had quite a bit of water that came out of it. I got a call from my wife at work talking about it, and I didn't realize until I got home just how bad it was. Now, it didn't come down there. No. What happened, the water from the washing machine ran across the floor of the mudroom, and right up here is the heating register from the mudroom, and right beside it is the heating register that runs up the wall to the second floor. And the water ran down there. So here it dripped right on my planer, and yeah, I got some rust on the blades. I've tested it and it works. You know, there's no squealing bearings, so I dodged a bullet there. But this thing got kind of wet, and the other duct, the water ran into the duct, so it dripped down here. And I've got splatters quite a bit on my scroll saw. Fortunately, I don't really care about the scroll saw, but still, that needs to be polished up and waxed. And my my small bandsaw, that also got splattered and wet and not bad. Needs a little bit of work. And even the big bandsaw has just a little bit here. That might be even from the cleanup. We think that might have happened during the cleanup. Fortunately, the other end of the shop stayed fine. Table saw, no problem. All the tools here, all the tools there, they're all fine. But yeah, it just played havoc with my shop schedule because basically I've got nothing done this week. It's just been, yeah, because this was a week ago, so it's been 6 days ago now that this happened. And yeah, we spent like 2 days cleaning up and drying out carpets. Then we got a carpet cleaner in to clean some of the carpet outside my shop. Because actually here, I'm not quite done the story. Let's go out and finish the story. So, as I was saying, the water went into that heating duct. Well, it ran through the heating duct. So if we come outside the door of my shop, and I have this little closet here, which is at the foot of the stairs. So the shop is right over that, on the other side of that wall. So here's that heating duct that we were talking about. Water's running through the heating duct, dripping. This whole shelf was soaked. Winter boots, Christmas wrapping paper, you know, all sort of off-season stuff that we store. Threw out a lot of stuff, had to clean it all up. But it doesn't stop there. See over my head? This is the main trunk line for our furnace. The water went into that furnace line, ran along there, and behind the camera there's another room in the center of the basement. By this point there wasn't that much. There was like a damp spot in the carpet in the middle of that little room, but still the water kept going. Up here on this trunk I ended up drilling a hole because it was like it was weeping with condensation, and you're like, there's still water in here. So I drilled a hole in the duct, and we're dripping the water out. Not a whole lot, but by this point, this is like at the end of the day, you know, a couple of cups of water, but still water was running. It was a mess. I don't wish this on anyone. That's it for this one. Just a story, no project this week. Hope you found it at least a little bit interesting. Could have been a lot worse.